Is that true, guys? Samsung Book 4 Pro is really a MacBook killer? Let's find out, is it a fact or only a dream of Samsung fanboys? The newly launched Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360 is absolutely a killing machine for most of its rivalries, but MacBook, is it included in this list? Yes, guys. Mac is also included in this Galaxy killer list, but only in some areas. Especially when it comes in display. What to say, guys? Samsung is the undefeated king in this area. Yeah. It's true, guys. Just look at the case of new Book 4 360. It is coming with a stunning dynamic AMOLED 2X display with touchscreen having 120 refresh rate and the peak brightness goes up to 400 nits. When it coming in the performance section, the Book 4 Pro 360 is absolutely a deal, guys. Powered by Intel Core Ultra 7 processor and it becomes monster when it combines with powerful Intel Arc graphics card, 16GB LPDDR5X RAM, 512GB to 1TB SSD, which all are fueled by a 76 Wh battery, and the result of this combined effect is getting smooth, flawless performance. If you want to edit a 4K video, no issues, it worked perfectly. If you wanted to play highly graphics PC games, no issues, you can play it smoothly. You can go any extreme with this Book 4 Pro, it will never disappointed you. That is the level of thrust this laptop offers. But when comparing the performance with MacBook slightly overplays the Book 4 Pro 360, so it is the ruling area of MacBook. Another life-saving feature is that, suppose you have to present a sudden presentation in just 30 minutes, the worst part is that your laptop is 0%. Don't worry, Galaxy Book 4 Pro comes with a 65-watt fast charger which can charge 35% in 30 minutes. This will help you to save the day, and in case of portability, you can carry anywhere with less effort, because Galaxy Book 4 Pro is just 1.66 kilograms. Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360 is priced 179,990 rupees in India.